up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuned in Washington. Today we got blast pipes from our sponsor. Shout out to them. We're gonna be installing it on the IS350. Got Alex, my good buddy, behind me. Before we get started, quick shout out and thanks to our sponsor, Dream Miser, for sending us these blast pipes. They sent me a total of 2.
You son of a bitch.
Guys, so I got my Craftsman Sawzall right here. So pretty much what we're doing right now is we're gonna cut off this heat shield that is blocking the piping. We're gonna cut it as close as possible so we can do as minimal of a modification as possible. Here we go.
A few moments later.
Let's put it back in. Slow down, dude. Slow down. All right, guys, so we have the OEM mufflers off. Shout out to Alex for helping me. There's the blast pipe. They're almost the same size. Guys, Juby is in the back right now, cutting out the bumper so it can fit the exhaust tip. Norm over here with his welder. Shout out to Norm. He's also got the protection here. You gotta have protection. Safety first. Safety first. Got the wire right here. Good? Yep. Nice. What are we finished? Quick review on these exhaust tips while the guys are welding in the background. As you can see, it's got really nice welds from the factory. Absolutely beautiful. The beads are evenly laid. This is high quality stainless steel, T304. Very nice. It's gonna look really good on the car. The chrome is just fantastic. You can see how shiny it is in the light. It's also worth mentioning it's got an exhaust hanger welded in between the 2 pipes, so it allows you to mount it to your exhaust system fairly easily. I have an adapter here because the Lexus does have a smaller diameter exhaust pipe. Got the blast pipes on. All right, we're finally done. Well guys, that concludes this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Big shout out to Dream Miser again for sending us those exhaust muffler tips. I'm gonna link their store down below in the description. Check them out. They also have an eBay store. And thank you so much. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next video.
Thank you.